Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our lesson, Chapter 4, Simple Equations. Today we focus on the concept of solving an equation and balanced equation. Let us revise the concept of solving an equation. Finding the numerical value of a variable that satisfies the given equation is called solving an equation. The value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called a solution to the equation. Consider the equation x plus 2 equals 5. For x is equal to 3, x plus 2 is equal to 5 becomes 3 plus 2 equals 5. That is, LHS of the equation is equal to RHS. So we can say that x is equal to 3 is a solution to the given equation. Let us learn the concept of balanced equation. A balanced equation is like a weighing balance with equal weights in the two pans. An equation is like a weighing balance with equal weights on both its pans, in which case the arm of the balance is exactly horizontal. If we add the same weights to both the pans, the arm remains horizontal. Similarly, if we remove the same weights from both the pans, the arm remains horizontal. We use this principle for solving an equation. Here, the balance is imaginary and numbers can be used as weights that can be physically balanced against each other. This is the real purpose in presenting the principle. We can use the following principles for solving an equation. Principle 1. We can add the same number on both the sides of a balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. Consider the equation x minus 5 equals 2. We need to eliminate minus 5 from the LHS. Since 5 is with a negative sign on the LHS, we add 5 to both sides. Hence the equation becomes x minus 5 plus 5 equals 2 plus 5. On the left hand side, 5 minus 5 is 0. So they cancel out each other. And thus we get x is equal to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So, x is equal to 7. Here, x is equal to 7 is a solution of the equation x minus 5 equals 2. Principle 2. We can subtract the same number from both the sides of a balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. Consider the equation x plus 3 equals 8. We have to remove 3 from x plus 3. Since 3 is with a positive sign on the LHS, we subtract 3 from both sides. Hence the equation becomes x plus 3 minus 3 equals 8 minus 3. On the LHS, 3 minus 3 equals 0. So they cancel out each other. And thus we get x is equal to 8 minus 3. We know 8 minus 3 equals 5. So x is equal to 5. Thus the required solution is 5. Principle 3. We can multiply the same number on both the sides of a balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. Solve x by 3 equals 18. We have to eliminate 3 from x by 3. Since 3 is dividing x on the LHS, we multiply both sides by 3. Hence the equation becomes x by 3 into 3 equals 18 into 3. On the LHS, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Thus we get x is equal to 18 into 3. We know 18 into 3 equals 54. So x is equal to 54. Principle 4. We can divide the same number from both the sides of a balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. Using the given principle, we can solve the following equation. Consider the equation 3x is equal to 15. We have to remove 3 from 3x. Since 3 is multiplying x on the LHS, we divide both sides by 3. Hence the equation becomes 3x divided by 3 equals 15 divided by 3. We know 3x divided by 3 equals x. Thus we get x is equal to 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Dear students, try to solve the given equations. Thank you and have a nice day.